Screen print direct, yeah.
Step in the ring for the fight of my life, hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7, and thing is I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love.
It looks like screen print direct sent us some packages. We don't know what it is. We have an idea, but let's go through these boxes and see what we got. So we got some stickers, thank you card. We got some scrubbing pads. We got like 4. We got some mixing containers. Definitely gonna be needing these. Then we got a gallon of black ink. And then we got white ink gallon. Alright, on to the big boy. Let's see what we have in here.
Yeah, there we go, boy. Sheesh.
Shout out to Screen Print Direct.
Screen print direct, yeah.
Alright, so what's this? So this is like the back, like, put this to the side. We got some tools here. Yeah.
Nice.
Next here. Alright, so I guess it's time to be Bob the Builder and let's get this stuff going. There you have it, guys. Can't really see me, but here's our new washout booth.
Alright, so we finally finished the washout booth. It's looking beautiful. Thank you, Screen Print Direct.
Yeah, shout out to you guys for making this video possible and sending over the washout booth. It's gonna really step up our game when it comes out to reclaiming screens. We're ready to get this going, and I think it's time for us to wrap it up, right? Yeah, it's already midnight.
Yeah, it's late right now.
So we catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.
I'm out of here.